Hello everyone, this is Rajesh Babu. Today I'm going to discuss about market order, limit order and stop loss. The market order is one of the feature of the stock market to place the order and for the traders and also for the investors. It is very important when you are placing an order and we have to quote and we have to set the market order to execute successfully. What is market order? Market order is most frequently used in stock market, either buying securities or stock selling the securities at a specific market price at a specific time. Hence, the order of the trader executed immediately with the filled quantity. If you immediately execute the order, market order, certain quantity can be filled or executed at a specific price, market specific price, by putting the market order in the order book, or we can say in app, web based app or trading app, whatever it may be. The limit order is a trader or investors generally quote the specific price at a specific price for taking the price advantage and executing the order at a exact price in order to gain the price. So trader and or investor is having a choice to set his own price to enter in the market or exit from the market. And it is generally happens for the individual traders and investors select the specific price to enter or exit from the market. Initially, the transaction shows the pending mode until it is confirmed. Then the limit order will be executed once the specific price level is reached. That means the limit order is reached at a specific price. And then we are going to discuss about stop loss order. Stop loss order provides additional security for the trader or investor, reduces the risk and maximization of returns. Stop loss order executed after placed order from the specific stock. That means if if the order is executed, either it may be buying or selling, whether you take for buying position or selling position means short position, after only the trader or investor is having a choice to change the stop loss order according to his own convenience and for reducing the risk and maximization of the profit. Stop loss order is very essential for traders to protect themselves from huge losses, and it will avoid huge losses from trading scenarios and investment scenario. There are the stop losses are mainly focused into three ways: stop loss limit, stop loss market, trailing stop loss. What is stop loss limit? Stop loss generally trigger price plus price. We can call as a stop loss limit, where the investor is having a choice or trader is having his own choice to set a specific stop loss for his from his trading or investing. At the same time, if the stop loss immediately want to execute by triggering the price of the market, price of the stock, then he can keep the option like stop loss market in the order book, so that the order immediately can be executed. Then price can be triggered at a market price. And trailing stop loss, it is used to be only most of the professionals used to be have this method. Nowadays, not only professionals, common traders, individual traders, and even for professionals also, most of the professionals also choosing the stop loss, trailing stop loss, for avoiding the huge losses and also protecting their partial profits and gaining profits from the market. This is the common scenario in the market. So hence limit order, stop loss order, market order, these are the essential elements to select the stock and enter the stock price and exit the market.